10th, today we will discuss about laws of refraction of light. So here x y is the uppermost surface of medium above which air is present. Here Mn is normal, AB incident ray, BC refracted ray, this angle is I and this is angle R, angle of incident and angle of refraction. So first law, incident ray, refracted ray and normal lies on common refracting plane. See here AB, BC, Mn lies on common refracting plane xy. It is first law. Second law, the ratio of sine of angle of incident, that is sine I, to the sine of angle of refraction, that is sine R, is always constant. And this constant is called refractive index of second medium with respect to first. So here first medium is here, second medium is any medium rather than here. So you may write here A mu m, or simply you may write mu. Here it is Greek word mu. Refractive index normally denoted by mu. Clear? So if first medium is air and second medium is rather than air or vacuum, then refractive index of second medium with respect to first is also called absolute refractive index. It means if light ray passes from air to any medium, then refractive index of that medium with respect to air is called absolute refractive index or simply refractive index. Clear? But what is the actual definition of refractive index? Let's see. Refractive index. Refractive index of a medium. See here in this diagram, first medium is air and second medium is any medium rather than air or vacuum. So here light passes from air to given medium, then refractive index of that medium, or simply you may write mu, is the ratio of speed of light in air, speed of light in air or vacuum also, to the speed of light in given medium. That is mu is equal to the speed of light denoted by Ca and speed of light in given medium denoted by Cm. So mu is equal to Ca by Cm. So what are the definition of refractive index of medium? It is the ratio of speed of light in air to the speed of light in given medium. Since both are speed, so it is the ratio of two similar quantity, so it doesn't having any unit, having no unit. Clear? And see here, since Ca is always greater than Cm, means the speed of light in air or vacuum is maximum. So if Ca is greater than Cm, so refractive index of any medium is always greater than 1. Refractive index of air is supposed to be 1 and refractive index of any medium is always greater than the refractive index of air, that is 1. So it is a term here that is called relative refractive index. Relative refractive index. Suppose first medium is any medium rather than air or vacuum, and second is also another medium rather than air or vacuum. Light ray passes from first medium to second, then you may write here first mu second is equal to speed of light in first medium upon speed of light in second medium. So how can we define relative refractive index? Relative refractive index means the refractive index of medium with respect to other medium. So here first medium is supposed to be the standard for second. So first mu second is the refractive index of second with respect to first, and it is written as first mu second is equal to C first by C second. अब see here, since absolute refractive index of first medium is equal to speed of light in first by air by speed of light in first medium, and absolute refractive index of second is equal to speed of light in air by speed of light in second medium. So what is the speed of light in first medium? Speed of light in first medium become Ca by A mu first, and speed of light in second medium become Ca by A mu second. Okay, putting the value of C first and C second in equation first. Therefore, from first, refractive index of second medium with respect to first is equal to C first by C second. It is also equal to Ca by A mu first by Ca by A mu second. Ca and Ca get cancelled and it become A mu second by A mu first. It means refractive index of second with respect to first 1 mu second is equal to refractive index of second upon refractive index of first. It is very important relation. It is useful for numerical purpose. Refractive index of second medium with respect to first is equal to refractive index or absolute refractive index of second upon absolute refractive index of first. Clear? Similarly, if we take its reciprocal, suppose light passes from second medium to first. If light passes from second to first, so you may write second mu first, and it is called refractive index of first with respect to second. It is equal to second mu first with refractive index of first upon refractive index of second. Clear? Remember it. Relative refractive index of second with respect to first is equal to refractive index of second upon refractive index of first. Similarly, refractive index of first with respect to second is equal to refractive index of first upon refractive index of second. So it is relative refractive index and absolute refractive index. And tomorrow we will discuss about the numericals that based on these questions, these problems. Okay, thank you.